Yo YouTube, here's my new HTC Evo 3D, it's in GSM version. Got it with my Vodafone contract, don't know yet if it's branded or not, we'll know soon. Let's open it. Very minimal package, wide. What? Void? What does that mean? HTC Void. I don't think you can read it, but here it says HTC Void. I don't know what I mean with it, but I hope I don't lose my warranty for opening this. There's my new phone. Nice. The front's very Evo-like. Yeah, let's take a look at the back. That's different than the Evo. It's got two cameras and with a nice gold brown ring around it. Let's put it away for a moment. There. Guide. Contact is English guide. Oh yeah, that one was Dutch. This one is French. Safety. Also security and warranty statement. We've got a charger by HTC, a USB cable, also by HTC I think, and some nice earphones. Let's open it. Okay, HTC Innovation, some air warmers. Let's put this again away. So the phone. Let's take this away. Nice. Very nice. Let's open it at the part. It's new. Battery out. 1730 milliamps hour. If you can read it. Let's zoom in. Okay. Let's put it back. It's got 5 megapixel cameras which record in 720p. In 3D you only can take pictures at 2 megapixels. The phone got a 3D 2D switch. Let's zoom in again. Okay, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Come on, out of focus. Slowly. Damn it, but you read it. It's got a shutter button. You can take nice pictures like this. It's got a headphone jacket, I guess microphone. The SIM card slot. It's a GSM version. It seems like this GSM version only has 1 GB internal memory. The US version has 4 GB and Sense takes up like 3 GB apps, all those things. And yeah, I don't know how they will place Sense on this one, but sure. This micro SD is placed here. It's hot swappable this time. The normal version was placed here, if I remember. Yeah, you needed to take the battery out first and do it there. Not so useful, but SIM here. You can't see it if you take the battery, if you place the battery in here. But let's take a look at this. Okay. Okay. That's very nice of them. An 8GB SanDisk Class 4 microSD SDHC. That's very nice of them. Let's put it back in here. Hot swappable. It's got an USB HDMI slot here. It's got pretty many fingerprints. My fingers are pretty oily. It's got capacitive buttons again. Yeah. It's got a micro USB HDMI slot here. Yeah, that was pretty nice. And be sure to watch my other videos, and also be sure to watch my review. It will be in depth, and yeah, I've turned it on myself, and I'm gonna play with it a bit, and I'll tell you my quirks of the phone and more things about it. And as last, the specifications. It's already known, but yeah, read it. Model X515M, 1.2 GHz dual core, Android with HTC Sense, the newest, 3.0, internal storage, 1 GB RAM, 1 GB 126 by 65 by 12.05 mm, 117 grams for the 3-inch 3D touchscreen, internal GPS antenna, HDPI, VSDMA, GSM, GPRS, Edge, Bluetooth 3.0 with A2, DP, FTP, OPP, and PBAP, Wi-Fi, EAA 802.11, BGNN, 3.5 stereo audio jack, DLNA for wireless streaming media to your TV, micro USB with MHF for USB or HDMI connection. I've told it already. Camera, dual 5 megapixel rear cameras with autofocus, and dual LED flash. Capture 5 megapixels 2D photos and 2 megapixel 3D photos. Record 2D, 3D, and 720p. 1.3 megapixel front-facing camera. Expansion slot micro SD. Yeah, as I said, it's hot swappable. It's pretty nice. And as I told you, it's got 1 GB internal storage. Yeah, the US version has 4 GB and 1 GB accessible. Maybe there were some laws that were say that you can't advertise like that or this, but I really don't know how they will place Sense on this. And maybe they placed Sense on the micro SD, but if somebody lost it already before turning it on, then they pretty fucked up. So hey, be sure to watch my other videos, my review that'll be placed today or tomorrow.